Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean a muffler on a Husqvarna weed eater. I got this screw down in here that I'm going to take the cover off. It's a little hard because I'm holding the phone with my hand. It makes it a little difficult, but I'll do the best I can to show you. There's a little nut down in there, and the cover comes right off. And here's the two screws to the muffler. Okay, here's a screen right here that also gets clogged up right in here. This gets clogged up, that's the airflow, and it'll make the weed eater not work real good. It won't have a strong power to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two screws off right here and see what it looks like behind there. It could be all carboned up, which it may be because I've been using it and it seems like that it lost power. So let's see, just get these off here. Let's see if what this looks like behind there. And a little bit more. You just gotta watch for your plate back there in the back. And it comes off. That's right there. You don't want to mess that up. Right there. Just try to be careful with that. It doesn't look too bad inside. Actually looks pretty good in there. There's really nothing inside behind the muffler. Here, this could be, well, even the screen here, the screen is pretty clean. I don't know if you can, let's see, here's the screen right there. You can actually see through it pretty good, so it's not bad at all. The carburetor itself, it's a little dirty, but I'll take some carburetor cleaner and I'll spray that a little bit, but actually it's not bad at all. But I'll also take the screen. I'll take the screen with the carburetor cleaner, and what I'll do, I'll just keep it away and just spray that screen. But that actually it does look a lot better now with that. So what I'm going to do is slip that back in there, right into there like that, where it goes. And actually it's just a little hard holding the phone and doing this at the same time. So let's see if I can get this back. I'll get one screw back into the hole there like that, and just bear with me for a minute or so. This one side here is tilting back in here, and See if I can keep it straight enough to get the bolt back into the hole. Let's see. If I can get the, let's see, here I go. I got that one back in. This is bouncing all over the place here. Sorry, but kind of hard to. Everything looks good back there. I thought it was going to be a lot worse than it was. I'm just going to tighten everything back up and see what happens here. I also noticed too the wire on the spark plug there was the metal piece there, the wire itself was real short. I just cut more of the rubber off there to get more contact with the spark plug, and I think there too that it was having a lot of problems starting. So I think that was one of the problems here. Okay, I got that all. This is all tightened back up. Okay, here you go. Okay, take this the cover plate back on for the muffler protector, so you don't get burnt. That should, I believe. No, not yet. A little tricky. I think it's in there, I believe. Yeah, there it goes. Let's see what happens here now. Okay, now I know I was having a, like I said, with the spark plug here, I'm gonna take this here and put this back through here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just push that back on with the spark plug. Just gonna twist it on in there, and it should catch the metal in there. Okay, and put the spark plug back in here, right there. And let me tighten it up. That's okay, that's tightened up. Take that, just twist it down into there and with the metal more. And let's see. See what that's gonna, put the wire down in there. Okay. Get that down. goes. Stugging that wire down in there. Just didn't want to go down. Okay. Now, what I'm going to have to do is just turn the weed eater around. So give me a second there and see if she'll start up. Okay, 1 second. Let's see here. Okay, we'll see if she'll start. Husqvarna is a very good machine. I have blowers and the weed eater. This is a great weed eater. So let's see what happens here. Give it a little bit of primer. And I'll choke it here, and let's see if she starts. Oh, she did there for a minute. Let's see. Okay, everybody, let's see. I just got it all back together, and let's see if she starts up. Okay, and that's what it was. Just was gummed up a little bit, and the spark plug wire was messed up a little bit. I redid that and put it back on, and she's working great again. She has full power, just like she did before. So, okay, everybody, have a nice day. I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.